Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a small batch brownies. Why? I mean, come on, why not? Do you always have a lot of people in your house or a lot of people to share brownies with? No. Does that mean sometimes you still want brownies? Yes. So, you're going to make a small batch of brownies. Yes! The recipe comes together quickly. You've got all the ingredients together. It bakes for a little bit. You're done. Under an hour, you got fresh brownies. Who doesn't like that? Of course, I was inspired by this song. Let's make brownies in a tiny batch. These are all made from scratch. Just like these, make more pretty please, small batch brownies. First things first, get your pan ready to go. Put a parchment paper sling in it if you have it, or grease it well. Second thing you want to do is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Melted butter, sugar, whisk together, egg, vanilla, whisk together. You're looking for the mixture to be shiny and emulsified. Cocoa powder, espresso powder, optional, but you know chocolate and espresso powder, match made in heaven. Whisk in. Flour, salt, baking powder, whisk together. Chocolate chips. Put your batter in your pan. Spread out in your pan best you can. Into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Time's up, time to take it out. Normally I would do a toothpick test, but you'll see on here that the edges are very set, so it is good to go. Let it cool completely in the pan, and then we're gonna taste it. Now that the brownies have cooled, let's go ahead and cut them. Look at this yummy small batch brownie. Do you notice something suspicious? I do. They are very thin, and when I was putting the batter in the pan, I thought to myself, this does not seem right. Well, it wasn't, because it's not an 8 by 8 pan you're supposed to use. You're supposed to use one of your 8 by 4 pans or 9 by 5 pans. That makes a whole lot more sense. But you know what? The brownies turned out just fine anyway. So this is one of those learn from my mistake, don't do what I do situations, if that makes sense. So it's all on the taste. Let's find out. Thin or thick brownie. This is a great small batch brownie. Came together so quickly, no muss, no fuss, one bowl, a whisk, a spatula, that's it. So easy to make. Definitely will be making them again, but in the right pan this time. So enjoy. If I can make these small batch brownies, even using the wrong pan, and they still turned out great, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share the recipe with your family and friends, make for your family and friends, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more.